welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make a cardboard doll. Do you like making cardboard dolls? Tell me in the comments. So friends, first we need the egg cardboard. You can see there are no any eggs, that's why we used it. And then we need a scissor so we can cut them into pieces. Come on, let's cut them. We have cut 5 pieces of the eggshells. Now let's do our favorite color. So friends, now we need a thread and a pencil to make holes in the middle. Let's start. Like this, friends. Can you see? It's a very big hole. Now friends, we're gonna make the doll skirt first. First we're gonna take purple, it's my favorite color, and then green, and then brown. Like this we made her skirt. Now the face, we're gonna put the face like this, and then we're gonna put the hair just like this. Now it is looking like a doll. Now I need to pass the thread from all of these shells. Now I tied a knot right here. Can you see it, friends? Now I'm going to pull this up like this. Now it's just like a decoration. Now let's make the face. Now friends, we can hang this doll anywhere because this is just like a keychain. Friends, now we're gonna add some makeup so she looks beautiful. Like this. And now like this. And friends, we have our beautiful doll with blush. How is it? You can hang it in the garden like I did. Bye!